am Dr. Sandip Patil, Director of eSpin Nanotech Private Limited, a spin-off company of IIT Kanpur. It is with great excitement that I announce the commemoration of the 10th Annual Spirit of Manufacturing Awards. This milestone serves as an evidence to the determination and innovation within our industry. To all the aspiring entrepreneurs gathered here, I extend a heartfelt invitation to partake in this momentous occasion. The Spirit of Manufacturing Awards provides a remarkable platform for individuals like yourselves to showcase your achievement and on a grand scale, garnering attention from wider audience. Having been a participant in previous edition, I can personally attest to the profound impact this event can have one entrepreneurial journey. The invaluable networking opportunities, mentorship initiatives, and exposure to industry leaders are truly transformative experience. This award not only recognizes hard work and dedication, but also opens doors to the new partnership, collaborations, and investment prospects. The dynamic ambience coupled with interaction with experienced professionals serve as a catalyst for both personal and professional growth. As we celebrate a decade of excellence, I urge you to grab this opportunity to be a part of this Spirit of Manufacturing Award 2024. This event transcends mere acknowledgement. It is served as a pivotal movement in propelling you towards greater success. Join us, amplify your presence, and leave a permanent mark on the landscape of manufacturing. You are most welcome to participate Spirit of Manufacturing Award 2024.